So children, in this video we will understand the story, what has happened and what is the story. Let's start. In Holland there was a beautiful green village. There was a beautiful green village in Holland. The village had a road that ran by the sea. Means in that village there was a road, and in that from that road, just by the side of that road, there was the sea. A sea was there. There was a special high wall. This wall you can see, just side of the road there was a big wall, and this high big wall between the land and the sea called the deck. It is called deck, and it protected the village from flooding. Means if the sea will be rose, then this wall was protecting the village from flooding. So near the deck was an open green area, and where there were many children come there to play, and they love to play there. One day the children were playing there. Suddenly a child noticed. What he noticed? He noticed that a crack was in that deck. You can see a crack was there on the deck. The sea water was gushing on the road through that crack, and the sea water was slowly just flowing, gushing means flowing slowly through the crack. He said, the boy who noticed that there was a crack, he said, let us go back fast. The village maybe get flooded. The village maybe get flood. All the flood will come in the village. All the children were agreed with that boy, and they said, okay, let's go from there. But the one boy there was, his name was Hans. He stayed back there. He said, no, he thought himself that I must do something to save the village. So what he did, firstly, he tried to cover the crack with his palm. You can see he is trying to cover the crack with his palm, but soon the force was increased. The force was became more and more, so water pushed his hand back. Then what he did, he tried to collect the some leaves, twigs, and then he tried to fill the crack with it. He held the stuffing. He started the stuffing firmly with hands. By now he was tired, but by doing this and this, he was now feeling tired. His arms were started aching. Aching means paining. So his arms were started paining, but he did not give up. He has not stopped. He was just started doing and doing. He was not stopped. He was trying his best. Meanwhile, the elders came to know about it. The children have gone to their home, and they told these all things to the elders, and then elders came to know about this, and then they reached to the deck. And then they saw the Hans was struggling to save the village. The repair work began at once, and the village was saved. All the people started working. You can see in the back side the people started working on that, and the repair work was finished, and the village was saved. And all the people of the village appreciated Hans for his brave act. Why they were appreciating him? Because he had done the very good job. He was brave. Hans' parents were also proud that their son had learned to differentiate. They understood that the son had already learned to differentiate between good and bad at the young age. See how he differentiate. He understood that what is good or bad. It was good to stay there and try to his best, and it was bad to run away from there. Okay, children. So like Hans, he saved the villages for a disaster. We should also do the good things, and we should have the ability to differentiate what is good and what is bad. What is the moral of this story? Moral of the story is strive to do the right things, means you should be always ready to do the right things and try to avoid to do the bad things. Okay children, now in the next video we will do the exercise. Thank you.